Hello guys, welcome to today's class where we'll be looking at basic functions. Now, basic functions. So we'll be looking at a series of examples explaining how we actually apply functions. Now, in this example 1, we are given a particular function. Example 1. Given that f of x is given as 2x minus 3. Find the values of Roman figure 1, f of 0, Roman figure 2, f of 3, Roman figure 3, f of minus 1, Roman figure 4, f of 3 over 2. So these are functions. This is a particular function they are already given, and then you're asked to solve for other functions based on the reference function. So solving this, a very simple process. We are given already that our f of x is given as 2x minus 3. We all know that our x in this case is an unknown. So for every x that we have here, we have that same x at the other side of the function. So in this case, my figure 1, we are told to find f of 0. It means I'm replacing my value x with 0. So anywhere I see my x in the right hand side of the function, I simply replace it with 0. So I have 2 times 0 minus 3, giving me 0 minus 3, which ultimately gives me minus 3. So that is my answer. Very simple, very short. Let us look at the second one, the second example, second case we have here. You also asked to find f of minus 1. Sorry, f of 3. f of 3. Go through the same process, the same roots. We know that was 2. So we represent our x here. Instead of x now, it becomes 2 times 3 minus 3. So it's a simple case of substitution. We have 2 times 3 here giving us 6, minus 3 giving us 3. So my f of 3 therefore becomes 3. For the third example, I have f of minus 1. The same thing is what I do here. Simply substitute my minus 1 for x in the equation, and then I simplify. I have 2 times minus 1 here, giving me minus 2 minus 3, ultimately giving me minus, and the last one we had there, we asked to evaluate f of 3 over 2. So you can also be giving your function in fractions. In fact, it can also be given to you in decimals. All you need to do is just substitute and evaluate. So we have 2. Our x now is represented by 3 over 2 in this case. And then we know that was, by multiplying 2 times 3 over 2, we have 3. We have 3 minus 3 here, giving me 0. So it means, therefore, my f of 3 over 2 is given as 0. So this is what we regard as basic functions. This is what we regard as basic functions. And then in the next class, we'll be looking at more examples on how we can actually apply this idea. See you next class.